It is after school and I am just now picking the camera up. I have been so sick yesterday and today. Yesterday I was like, tomorrow I'll be better, I can film tomorrow, and I'm just out of service right now. It's so crazy, but life goes on. Kids go to school, kids have homework, kids have to eat. So that is what I'm working on today. We're just gonna have these sliders, and I'm working on adding some butter to the tops. My voice is horrible. It hurts to talk. But thankfully, let me turn the camera around. Thankfully, while Casey was napping, be nice. While Casey was taking his nap, I told Aria, I need you to take a nap. She did, so I took a nap. And so, I don't know, like I felt like I was sick. And then I got better. I was able to go to my baby shower and do stuff. And then I just got worse all of a sudden again. So maybe it's just because I didn't rest. I just kind of kept going, which I did not keep going today. There's so much to do. House is a mess. Derek is so excited about these, right?
I wanna eat.
I usually
all of those right now.
Yeah, all of them. I usually add Dijon mustard here, and I thought we had some, and we don't. So, yep. Oh, that's very dark in there.
Sick.
He can have milk, that's fine. Daddy's home, and thankfully he's not sick. I know, buddy.
Jinx me.
Oh,
Look.
sorry.
You want to see this? Come here. Come here.
He's just trying to make you happy. Okay, look, I got a cup. I'm gonna give you milk. Okay? My goodness gracious.
Casey, look, you hold your cup. Hold it still.
With two hands. Say thank you, Daddy.
You can open your eyes.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you.
So we have to run to Walmart, and I probably have to go in there. But like we're gonna run, and I'm gonna get out and do what I gotta do, and then yeah. But Cameron's like, you look like you're on the run because I put this hat on. All these lights these kids leave on. Get my phone, let's go. Nothing fits anymore, so this thing just sticks out. And my jacket, like it doesn't even fit on the arms. I'm that big, guys, I'm that big. But I'm 5 weeks away. Woo! Oh, now I have to go all the way up here. Turn off that light. Oh, he's already pulling out? Are you rushing me?
No, I was talking to the kids. Depends on the weather.
What?
Like it's scale?
No, I was saying, are you rushing me?
Why?
Because you're pulling out.
Well, I just wanted the exhaust to go out.
Oh, good idea, I guess. Everybody has jackets on?
Yeah.
Okay. I need these. One for Casey.
I I told you she was coming.
Because quadrilaterals.
What?
I cannot
What are you trying to say, bud?
You could say
What are you trying to say? Colorado?
uh-huh.
We're getting the car wash. Oh, and then we need to get home so I can sleep.
Alright. Okay. My superpowers are back. Superpowers back. Hi, Joe. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
What a good girl, Vera. You're taking out the things and putting the bags away? Come give me a high five. Oh, yeah. You want a high five too? High five?
My shoes off, baby.
This is what the kids do without us telling them what to do.
Hold you.
They always want to be held. Can I hold your face?
Hold you.
Can I hold your hand?
Emergency. It takes a great team of police and firefighters.
So I've been coming home every day to coughing, hacking sickness. And I'm trying my best not to get sick. So I've been like eating Ricola lozenges
Daddy, let me
and
say my sight
staying
words.
away from, I don't even think I've kissed Vivian in a couple days.
Let me say
What?
my sight words.
You're so pretty, Vera.
A
Look at you. Look at that eye. What is
go
are trying to help their friend escape jail. Lucky
that? Hey, what are you doing to the wall?
don't have
my
Scratching it?
Daddy, look,
I can hear you. Yeah.
I could tell you something. I saw it in I see those two sight words.
Yes.
And
Yep.